Join me in this therapeutic watercolor painting process, which creates a soothing effect in our hearts. I'm rotating the board into portrait mode and I'm placing a book underneath the board so that the pigment can move from one wet area to another wet area. First, I'm applying Prussian blue to create the body of the human figure. I don't want it to be a perfect rectangle. It slightly should look like a body, so I make some adjustments. I added some excess pigment. You can see those excess pigment got collected at the edges. Next, I mix the remaining Prussian blue with olive green to paint the body of the second human figure. While applying the second pigment, I purposefully touched the first pigment so that the Prussian blue flow inside the olive green area, creating a cauliflower effect. Next, I mixed the remaining pigment on my brush with permanent orange to paint the body of the third human figure. You can closely watch how I let the excess pigment to move into the area where I'm applying the olive green pigment, while allowing the pigment to bleed from one area to another pigment area, which creates a beautiful texture for the dresses of the human figure. After painting the human bodies, next I am adding the faces to these human figures. I mixed permanent orange with Naples yellow for the skin tone. Then for the hair, I used Payne's gray. Absorbing the pigment, bleeding into another pigmented area, and witnessing all the texture that it creates is incredibly therapeutic. Next, I paint pants and shorts for these human figures. The pigments that I used were Prussian blue, olive green, Naples yellow, permanent orange, vermilion hue, and Payne's gray. Instead of using only dark value for the pants, you can use different combination of colors, and also you can use the light value of a color to create a beautiful contrast between the light and dark. Next, I add shoes using Payne's gray and added some shadow. At last, I splattered some Payne's gray. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.